Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? Just wanted to record this quick little video for everybody on this Thursday afternoon. First of all, my name is Jose Cabrera. For those that don't know me, guys, thank you for coming into this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, I suggest you click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell, guys, okay? On this video today, guys, what I was going to come in here and speak to you about, as you see on the title, over 1K with this automated system, okay? What the system's name is Newbies on Fire. The system's name, again, is Newbies on Fire, guys. This system has made me over 1K in 3 weeks, okay? And it's helping me and my team so much, okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and clear my picture, right, my camera for a little bit so you can concentrate on the actual screen. So I disappeared, and now you can actually concentrate on my screen, guys. So again, I was doing this quick video, guys. I'm not gonna do it too long because I wanted to actually share some updated information on this amazing Newbies on Fire system that I've made a few videos about. If you haven't seen them, then I would definitely encourage you to go into my channel and actually look for those videos, guys. So like you see on the title, over 1K with this automated system, guys, and counting, okay? Now, guys, this system has generated me so much income, guys, so much that it's been really easy for me to generate this without me having to do much, okay? Why? Because of the comp plan that we have and the reverse two system that we call it, okay? It's helping so many people, guys, make income that have never made any money online, okay? And guys, it's 2020, guys. Those days of you not being able to pay the rent, not being able of, hey, what are we gonna eat next? Where are we gonna get the money to pay this bill? We're trying to help you guys delete that out of your life, okay? And with this system right here, guys, you can actually do that and get out of whatever situation you're in, okay, guys? Like I said, I receive daily payments, guys, from this system, okay? The system that brings all the training that you need. Okay, it has tools, it has your training courses. The very One of the most important things that I like is that it's only a one-time fee, guys. This system is only a one-time fee. You know that most systems they tell you need to pay a monthly fee to to manage it, to manage the website or whatever, guys. And what I love about this system is that it's a one-time fee, guys, and you get all these tools and training for life, okay? On top of you being able to make this type of money and get daily commissions with no cap, okay, guys? And guys, me and my team are actually starting, okay, daily calls where we can actually pretty much just help our team by bringing their prospects, okay, anybody that they might have that might be interested in joining this system. What me and my team are doing, guys, is we're actually conducting some prospect calls that I believe, guys, and I know are going to actually convert and get my team and my team's team get sales and get commissions. Okay, guys. And we're going to continue doing these calls every single week, guys. That way, everybody in the team, all you have to do, guys, is pretty much invite people to this call, guys. Because in this call, guys, we're going to be giving testimonials. We're going to be bringing in special guests from inside of the Newbies on Fire system that are having results, are making money, okay, are getting leads every single day, are leveling up and seeing their team do the same thing, guys. Because, guys, it's all about duplication. It's all about what you teach your team and what your team is going to be doing. And all this, guys, we teach it to you in here. And like I said, I'm coming to this video also to give you a personal invitation, guys, to a prospect call that we will be having tonight. Okay, I believe it's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be putting the information down in the description. So if I'm wrong, please just go back underneath the video and check out the description so you can actually be in the call, guys. And if you're ready right after the call tonight, then I'll also be leaving my information for you to sign up to register, guys, create your account and get started today. Okay, guys. So again, today is Thursday, January the 30th. Okay, tonight we will be having a live prospect call for anybody, guys, that wants to come in and check it out. I'll be leaving the information below. And like I said, guys, this is what you'll be able to have access to once you become a part of the team. You'll be able to bring in any of the people you speak to that are interested in joining you and your team. All you have to do is invite them into this prospect call every single week, and we're going to do the talking for you. Okay. All you have to do is give them the invitation, and right after the prospect call, if they're ready, we'll ask them live on the call, are you ready? And then we'll get to the next step so they can sign up and you get paid. Okay. So again, we're doing these guys for our team members, for the people that are coming in here and are serious and want to start getting some leads, want to start getting some commissions. We've started these weekly prospect calls. That way, all you have to do, guys, is simply invite your members, okay, into this call, and that way we can help you close them. Okay, guys? Because, guys, again, we're helping millions of people get out of the struggle, those days of not having a way to pay your bills, a way to pay rent are over. Okay. So just wanted to come in here, guys, and give you this quick little snippet, this little overview of my back office, of some of my results and some updated videos on me and this Newbies on Fire system. Like I said, over 1K with this system and counting, guys. The commissions for today are not all of them in yet, so the system hasn't caught them yet, but guys, we're counting and I'm headed to 2K. Okay. So again, if you're interested, okay, and want to be a part of tonight's prospect call, I will be leaving the information down below. Make sure you check it out, sign in. If there's a number, just call in and dial the password or extension so you can come in and listen to what we have to say, okay? And like I said, after the meeting, if you're ready to go, I'll be leaving my information for you to join me and my team, and then simply just send me a message or a comment, and then we'll get you started, okay, guys? So I hope to see you on the call, guys, and most importantly, I hope to start doing business with you guys. I'll see you on the next one.